Very happy to, say thank you first to Sanjay ji, Rekha ji, and Ashwini, who have, brought a miracle in our life. And it is actually the testimony of my husband. I am Visalakshi from Bangalore. He is Krishnamurthy, and he is like having chronic 30 years of sugar, BP, and a little of creatinine issue from 15 years, and all those things. As we all know, that allopathy is only managing the disease, whatever it is. So after that, he got a brain hemorrhage also in 2021. So things were not good till Healy entered my life. So when the Healy entered into our life, it is so like, I want to tell to each and everyone for especially the sugar and BP part, which showed difference in just 4 days. क्योंकि 4 days what happened, BP we reduced the medicine from 20 mg to 10 mg. That was a miracle for us because it didn't happen in this 30 years. Every time changing of medicines, this or that, or something or the other was going on in, as you all know what happens in the allopathy hospitals. And the same happened with the sugar also. Sugar was also a chronic disease. Every time, he was restricted to eat things. And Healy is really, I would like to, I'm very thankful to, my this team as well as Healy. Healy has blessed my husband to eat whatever he wants to eat. And then see, once when we think that, we can't eat anything, a person who is healthy also becomes sick. That's what I feel. So when he was allowed to eat whatever he want, he was healed half of all of his, minus things, whatever was there in his life. So now with Healy, he has stopped the medicine of diabetes, which he was taking from 30 to 35 years. And after that, we have reduced the medicine of BP. The BP and sugar is a common thing they call nowadays. It's not common. It's very dangerous. And we are very happy to, I don't have sometimes words what to say. And this magic has happened in my house. And after that, for the kidney issue, creatinine issue also, the Healy is helping a lot. The protein which was going out in the urine, which is not supposed to be. Of course, I don't have much knowledge about all these things. I'm learning with my husband's this thing only profile. So now that has also reduced. And main thing, he sleeps so well. Whenever he is sleeping, he's having, jabardast need. He gets up fresh. Even the constipation or whatever, digestive system has improved. A lot of things, small things which we get used to when a person is chronic with these type of diseases. And everywhere we go, same thing is, ये तो common है, सबके घर में है sugar BP. नहीं, sugar BP जो है वो it spoils the other parts on the body when we are chronic to these diseases and carry on taking the allopathy medicines. That is what we did for 35 years. But from 4 months only, I'm using the Healy, and Healy is showing tremendous results to me. And definitely, Sanjay ji, Rekha ji, and Ashwini ji are guiding me. And my husband, who is walking with the help of a stick, will independently walk within a fortnight. That is what I'm expecting. And everyone in my family is actually using the Healy this way or that way, cough, cold, a lot of things are there. In my next testimony, I'll be back with a bang. Thank you.